Hi everyone and welcome back to Delish. So today, as I promised last week, when I was making this herb roasted chicken and one of my side dishes was this mixed cabbage salad, we'll be making this today. This is Polish style cabbage salad and we eat a lot of cabbage in Poland. Different styles, different flavors, baked, cooked, fresh. It's just Polish thing, eating cabbage. So today I'll be showing you how to make one that is not only easy and simple to make, but it's healthy and delicious. And now my dog is barking in the background, so sorry about it. Bella. Anyway, the only ingredients we need for this are right here. So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing we need white and red cabbage. I'll be using half of this one, half of this one. You can use the whole thing. So I'll slice them in half and then I'll shred them. So I just got new knives from Cook. So I'm gonna try them today for the first time and see if they are really sharp, as they were advertised on Amazon. So, you know what? I'm not sure if they're that sharp, but let's give them a chance. Okay, so cabbage is shredded, white and red. Now let's move on to carrot. Next we're gonna shred apple, but I'm gonna start with lemon first, because when apple is shredded, it's gonna brown very quickly, so we need lemon juice to stop this from happening. So let's do it. And this lemon, beautiful. And now we're gonna shred an apple. And we're gonna use the same box grater, but I need bigger pieces. So let's do just that. Now we're gonna just pour the lemon juice over our apple and shake it so they won't get brown right now. So we're gonna preserve the color. The last two ingredients that we need are parsley, and I'm using the curly one, and red onion. So we're gonna chop this one, slice this one, and I'll be back. Okay, so now it's time to mix our ingredients, and when I cook for my family and camera start rolling, I'm just using one bowl. Like, I don't feel like washing all the, bowls that I'm using for this video, but I want this to be aesthetic and pretty, and I'll be washing the dishes probably for the rest of the day. But what can I do? Alright, so we're gonna start with the red cabbage, white one, carrots, apples with juices, red onion, a lot of parsley, because the color is honestly the most important thing in the food. It's time to mix it. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my gosh, this smells already divine. I really love this salad. Like, I'm not gonna lie to you. It's super delicious and I cannot wait to show you how it looks like when everything is mixed and seasoned. Alright, let's do it. And this is how it looks like after I mix it. Look at the combination of the colors. This is absolutely beautiful and it looks already very tasty, but now it's time to season it. So I'm gonna use half the cup of oil, and I'm using canola. You can use any oil you prefer. So let's pour it all over. Salt. I'm gonna be generous. Maybe a little more. Pepper. And since we already have lemon juice, we are going to add sugar to neutralize the sourness. Just a little more. Oh my gosh, guys, look at this. You can serve this immediately after seasoning, but I prefer this next day. So I put this in the refrigerator for 24 hours. I let this sit in the juices. I let this marinate and connect all together, and everything comes to life. And this salad is every bite you take. It's gonna be crispy. You'll taste every single ingredient. And the sweet and sour, this tangy flavor will be basically melting in your mouth. And you can pair this with anything, meat or fish, or you can just eat it by itself. So the moment of truth. Let's see. This is unbelievable. It's definitely very refreshing and juicy and tangy, and honestly, I cannot wait to share it with my family. To me, this is definitely dish delish, and I'll see you next time. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!